Wondering how people are making money online? Watch this video to learn. You can get a lot out of working on the internet. Perhaps you want to avoid having to drive to a job, or maybe you just have a family at home you'd like to be around while you make your money. Whatever the case may be, this video is here to help you out. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money, as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. If you intend to make money online, join at least one forum first. There is a lot to be learned, and you can do so from other people's mistakes, rather than having to make your own. Introduce yourself, ask questions, and make connections too. Networking for online money-making situations can turn into very lucrative jobs. Get paid to review some of the new products that are out on the market today. This is a great way for companies to determine if their new products are a hit or miss, as they will pay good money to get an opinion on them. Get the word out on these products and pull in the cash. Are you a good salesperson? Look into becoming an affiliate. In this line of work, you will earn money each time you sell a product that you have agreed to endorse. After joining an affiliate program, you will get a referral link. From there, you can begin selling products, either on your own website or on someone else's site. Design and build websites for people on the web to make some extra cash on the side. This is a great way to showcase the skills that you have using programs like Composer. Take a class beforehand on website design if you want to brush up on your skills before starting up. Beware sites where you have to make a bid to complete someone's work. These sites devalue you based on the fact that the lowest bid most frequently wins. There will be some people hiring on these sites who are decent, of course, but the bulk just want their work done cheaply. Never pay money out of your own pocket when earning money online. No legitimate company or business will ask you for money to start working for them. It is probably a scam and you will be out of money. Try not to get tangled with these companies. After watching that, you should be able to see that making money online is something anyone can do. It just is something you have to have some patience with if you want everything to go well for you. Take all of these things into consideration, and good luck in the future. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.